Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. I want to make a quick video to let you guys know that Blackmagic, the makers of DaVinci Resolve and subsequently DaVinci Resolve for iPad, listened to me. Yep, they listened to me, and I'm sure bunches of other creators as well. So right now, we're actually on the iPad version of DaVinci Resolve. Don't worry about the media offline thing. I don't have my Samsung T7 SSD plugged in right now, and that's why it's showing offline. But they listened to me, and how they listened to me is now you can buy Studio. Yeah, you can buy Studio a lot easier. Remember, I made this whole big video about how there was this convoluted way that you had to go into effects here, and then you had to type in an effect and all that stuff just to get the option to buy Studio. Well, now, literally, all you have to hit is this home button right here. And guess what? On the top bar right there, you will see Buy Studio. So you can click on it and it will ask you, do you want to purchase DaVinci Resolve Studio? Now, this is DaVinci Resolve Studio for the iPad, not to be confused with the desktop variant. It is cheaper than the desktop variant, but if you have the desktop version, you will not get the iPad version for free, and vice versa. So definitely keep that in mind. And then you can hit not yet. And unlike before, when it went away and you had to close the app and redo it, anytime you want, you can hit buy Studio version. So, yeah, hopefully this has helped you guys with some stuff, and just FYI, the studio version of DaVinci Resolve on the iPad is about $100. I believe it's technically 95, but after taxes and stuff, I believe it comes to roughly around 100 USD. Let me know in the comment section below. Do you plan on buying it? Are you like, yeah, no, not really my thing? Let me know all that comment section below. With that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.